Welcome to this guided letting go meditation. Life often asks us to carry things that becomes too heavy. Stress, painful memories, regrets, disappointments, fear, anger, or worries about the future. Over time, these emotional burdens can leave us feeling exhausted, anxious, and disconnected from the peace that already exists within us. Today, you are giving yourself permission to pause. You don't have to solve every problem or have all the answers right now. For the next few minutes, simply allow yourself to be present. This meditation is not about forgetting your experiences or pretending they never happened. Instead, it is about gently releasing the emotional weight you have been carrying, creating space for healing, acceptance, and inner peace. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position, and if you are listening while driving or operating machinery, please save this meditation for another time when you can give it your full attention. Take this time as a gift to yourself. There is nothing you need to achieve and nowhere else you need to go. Simply breathe, relax, and allow yourself to let go, one breath at a time. Now, let us begin. Find a comfortable position where your body feels fully supported. You may sit or lie down. Allow your hands to rest gently, and if it feels comfortable, softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in peace and breathe out tension. One more time. Breathe in calm and breathe out anything you no longer need. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. With every breath, your body becomes a little softer, a little lighter, a little more relaxed. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any tension you may be carrying there. Without trying to force anything, simply allow the tension to melt away. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Unclench your jaw. Let your neck and shoulders become heavy. Allow that wave of relaxation to flow down through your arms, your hands, your chest, your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. You are safe. You are here. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, imagine yourself standing beside a gentle river. The water is calm, clear, and peaceful. The soft sound of the flowing water relaxes your mind. A cool breeze brushes against your skin. You feel completely safe in this beautiful place. As you stand beside the river, imagine that every worry, every painful memory, every disappointment, every fear has become a small leaf resting in your hands. You do not have to fight these thoughts. You don't have to judge them. Simply acknowledge those thoughts. They have been trying to protect you in their own way. Quietly thank them and what they have taught you. And now, one by one, place each leaf gently onto the flowing river. Watch as the current carries it away. There is no need to chase it. There is no need to pull it back. Simply watch it drift farther and farther into the distance. Notice how your body feels a little lighter. If another thought appears, another regret, another fear, Place it gently on another leaf, and once again, allow the river to carry it away. There is nothing you need to hold on to right now. The river knows exactly where to take it. Perhaps there is someone you need to forgive. Perhaps that person is yourself. You do not have to excuse what happened. You do not have to forget. Today, you simply choose not to carry the weight anymore. Silently repeat after me. I release what I cannot control. I let go of what no longer serves me. I choose peace over struggle. I choose acceptance over resistance. I allow healing to begin. With every breath, your heart becomes lighter. With every breath, your mind becomes quieter. With every breath, you create space for something new. Imagine a warm golden light appears above you. The gentle light slowly surrounds your entire body. It fills every place where worry once lived. It fills every place where sadness remained. It fills every place where fear once held on. This light is peace. This light is strength. This light is self compassion. Allow yourself to rest in this beautiful feeling. You are not your past. You are not your mistakes. You are not your fears. You are a person who is always growing, a person who is always healing, a person who deserves peace. Take another slow, deep breath in and breathe out with complete relaxation. One more time. Breathe in hope, breathe out everything you are ready to release. Stay with this peaceful feeling for quite a few moments. As this meditation comes to an end, remember that letting go is not something you do only once. It's a gentle practice, a gift you offer yourself again and again. Whenever life feels heavy, remember this peaceful river. Remember that you always have the power to release what no longer belongs in your heart. Begin to notice your breathing once again. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, slowly you can open your eyes. Carry the sense of calm with you throughout the day. Thank you for giving yourself this time to heal. May you move forward with peace, clarity, and open heart.